Hi everyone, welcome back to Online English Corner. My name is Estelle. Today we are looking at what we'll be learning. This is course lesson 1.1. We'll also be starting with lesson 1.2 in a little bit. So before every lesson, I want us to warm up our bodies wherever you are, whether you're standing or sitting, you can do it. Okay, you're going to start strong by putting your hands in the air. To reach for the stars. Okay, and then you're gonna go down, and then you're gonna reach for the ground. You're gonna reach for the insects. Okay, reach for the insects. Okay, the grass. Okay, and then we're gonna make circles with our arms, big ones, oopsie. And then we're gonna make small ones, smaller, and then stop. We're going to stomp our feet, stomp, and okay, and then we're going to roar. We're going to let our lion voices come out. So, roar, roar, roar. Okay, and then we're going to go onto our seat. If you were standing up, you can go into your seat now. You can go sit, and before you go sit, put your ears on so I can see that you're listening. You know that you're listening. Your ears are on, and you put your hands as quiet as possible in your lap. Okay, and we're back. Sorry about that. Little glitch. And now we're back. So grammar is the first part that we're going to be looking at. We've got different parts of grammar. We've got all the rules of language. We've got the parts of a sentence that makes the sentence make sense. We're going to learn about number and gender. We're going to learn about simple tenses, phrasal verbs, prepositions, phrases, so much more. Don't worry if it sounds too overwhelming or a lot. We will cover each part with careful consideration. I hope you are as excited as I am to learn about this. Okay, and now we have punctuation. Punctuation is the part of a sentence that tells us how to say something, such as where to put a full stop, where a comma comes. So a full stop is when you need to take a break. A comma is where you take a breather in a sentence. Exclamation marks is where we have to be wary if we use this, because this is often used in a command or when someone shouts or exclaims or warns us about something. Then we're also going to learn about bullet points or italics. Bullet points are when we list things, and italics is when we make something seem very important. Okay, don't worry about it. We'll go through everything step by step. All right, spelling. Spelling is my favorite part of language because we learn how to form different words, why we spell it a certain way, and how our spelling matters. We'll learn about capital letters, syllables, abbreviations, the difference between British and American spelling. We'll get to that later. And then irregular word spellings. And yes, even adults make spelling mistakes. It's going to be so much fun learning about this. I hope you're excited as I am. communication skills. Lastly, communication skills. I would say communication skills is the very most important of them all, because communication skills, the communication is how you carry over information to others. So we're going to be learning about paragraphing, how to write different texts, and even how to develop presentation skills. We're going to learn all about that and so much more later on. But for now, let us head over to lesson 1.2. All right, lesson 1.2, we're going to start with grammar. Okay, so keep those ears on and let's get started.